So we will start with the passing of the torch by Doc Merlin, and going around the oldest employee at the team, then to each and every department who contributed to the successful company we have today.
Those who are not with us, especially Bossing and all the employees and staff in the past who have passed on. Those who are alive but not with us.
Put down.
Like that.
The lighting of the torch symbolizes the beginning of Genesis Corporation, the realization of a shared vision between Doc Merlin Abelo Alfonso and Engineer Arminio Alfonso to bring a quality medical care to the beloved people of Pohnpei. This torch is not just a physical symbol, it represents the collective warmth, resilience, and excellence of each and every one. The passing of the torch starts with the longest-serving employee, the representative of each department, signifying the burning fire of service we have within us. To the leaders and team members, as you take up the torch, remember that you do not carry alone. You carry the trust of your colleagues. You carry a legacy of deep, unyielding care.
It's okay.
Kung mga gustong gasolina,
Ilagay lang natin.